little friends! Today, we'll open a magic gate to the Arctic and the Antarctic. In the Arctic, there's a big, strong polar bear. In the Antarctic, there are funny waddling penguins and a giant whale singing loudly in the ocean. Every iceberg and every cold wind carries a magical story waiting for us to explore. Don't forget to follow the channel so we can keep discovering this icy world together. Let's start, guys. We have 2 foam layers. The bottom is the icy ocean floor. The top makes the waterfalls. I cut some little holes for the water. Look, on the left is the Arctic, and on the right is the Antarctic. This is the first layout of our model. The rest will be mountains. I use newspapers inside and cover it with tissue paper outside. Ta-da! The basic frame of our model is ready. In the Arctic and Antarctic, everything is covered with snowy white and shiny icy seas. So, we'll use 2 main colors, white like snow and blue like the ocean. See? Simple and beautiful, right? Now let's start making the water flow for the waterfalls. First, we'll attach it to this big waterfall and do the same on the other side. On the mountaintops, let's add some green trees. Right here, I'll build a tiny little ice house. Now sprinkle some white snow on top. Look, the shiny glitter sparkles so beautifully. If we add more glitter, the scene will shine even brighter. And wow! Soft snowflakes are falling down. How beautiful! Here, I'll place a clear sheet of plastic. What for? It's for dropping in lots of glowing water beads that shine and sparkle. Ta-da! Our magical icy model is complete! Now, let's step into the icy world. Are you ready to explore the Arctic and the Antarctic? Look, a secret fish tank. Oh, 1, then 2, then 3. It looks like there are more. Let's see. A turtle and a seashell, an octopus. What about this one? It's a dolphin! Dolphins swim in the cold ocean waters. They are smart and love to jump high. Dolphins use clicks and whistles to talk. The train cars line up one by one. First comes the front car, then the second, and the very last one. The train looks so fun. Do you remember which animal rides in the last car? Yes, it's the Arctic hares! Arctic rabbits have thick white fur. They hop quickly across the snow. This white color helps them hide from danger. They eat plants that grow under the snow. Today, I'm so surprised. I got a gift from an animal friend. Let's open it together. Wow, candy! 1, 2, 3 pieces. Yay, how fun! Thank you, friend. What's your name? Polar bear. Polar bears are the kings of the Arctic. They have warm white fur and strong paws. They can swim a long way to find seals. They are the biggest bears in the world. Look over there, under the water. It looks like a tail. Let me dig it out. Oh, a whitefish. Can you guess? Could it be a white whale? White whale. White whales are also called belugas. They have smooth white skin and a round head. They sing beautiful songs in the icy sea. Let's discover the next animal in this magic book. Here it is. One penguin, then 2. Kids, say the animal's name out loud. Penguin. Penguins live in the South Pole. They cannot fly, but they are amazing swimmers. Penguins waddle on the ice in big groups. They love to slide on the snow for fun. I'll show you how to fold something fun. It's very simple. Keep folding the papers. Wow, it's finished! Can you guess what animal it is? White fox! The Arctic fox has fur that turns white in winter. It hides in the snow and is hard to see. Its fluffy tail works like a warm blanket. That helps it stay safe and cozy. We need to find the animal that starts with the letter P. First is a beetle. Beetle! Oh, not this one. Next is a chicken. Chicken! Still not right. What about this one? Penguin. That's correct! This is the animal we're looking for. What is it? Penguin. This penguin has yellow feathers on its head. It looks like a funny crown. They hop on rocks with short, strong legs. They live in big, noisy colonies. These water beads look so shiny, don't they? Wait, there's something behind them. Look closely, kids. Oh! Puffin! Puffins live in cold northern seas. They have colorful beaks like rainbows. They can dive deep to catch fish. I have a fun game! I'll paint my hand and press it on the paper. So cool! Let's decorate a little. Wow, it looks like an animal. Yes, it's a walrus! Walruses are huge animals with long tusks. They use their tusks to pull up onto the ice. They eat clams from the sea floor. Their thick, wrinkly skin keeps them warm. A walrus can weigh as much as a small car. Now let's make the next animal using colored paper. First, the body, the head, and the 2 legs. Let's add the face too. Done! This one's a fox. And what about this picture? That's right, it's a seal! Seals are marine animals that live in oceans and on icy shores. They have smooth, streamlined bodies and flippers that help them swim fast. Seals eat fish and other sea creatures. They're also known for their big eyes and playful behavior. Wow, so many fish! Wait a second, let me grab my fishing rod. What do we catch here? Oh, what about this one? Wow, it has a long, strange tusk. Do you know what animal this is? That's right, it's a narwhal. Narwhals are called the unicorns of the sea. They have a long tusk, like a horn. They dive deep under the ice to hunt fish. Narwhals live in groups called pods. Here are some mystery cards. Let's match the same pictures. Let's start. Oh, great! A match! Try again. Not this time. No! Another match! Now only 2 cards left. So, what animal did we find? White wolf. Arctic wolves have thick white fur. They howl to talk to their pack. They live in very cold, snowy places. Look, it seems like a kind of bird. Let's color it to find out what it is. All done! The feathers look so special. Can you guess the name of this bird? It's the albatross! Albatrosses are giant seabirds. They have wings that stretch very far. They fly long distances over the ocean. Their wings are some of the longest in the bird world.